Hi guys! Welcome to our co-working space. Tara! Ang space na ito ay ginawa for professionals, creatives, entrepreneurs at teams na looking for a nice, comfortable, and productive na environment. We have open work areas, meeting spaces, and collaborative zones na perfect for brainstorming, meetings, at daily work needs. Complete ito with stable internet, power outlets, and relaxed atmosphere para makapag-focus ka ng maayos. More than just a workspace, this is a community, a space na pwedeng mag-connect, mag-collaborate, at mag-grow ng mga ideas and business mo. Whether you're working solo or with a team, you're welcome here. We have 3 air-conditioned rooms, 3 focus rooms, a common area, and a restroom. 2 meeting rooms, 1 is good for 6 packs, equipped with interactive TV and full-size whiteboard. Another is good for 6 to 10 packs, equipped with full-size whiteboard. And last is our recording room, built with acoustic ceiling and wall, perfect for audio recording. Test mic, 1, 2, 3. This is a perfect spot for solo workers kasi may table and space to write, check emails, or jot down those on-the-go ideas. This is our common area where you can convert this to large meetings and gatherings. We also have 16 parking slots available. So if you're interested, we are happy to welcome you here at the co-working space located in Cubao. Feel free to drop by and explore the space. See ya!